Dandelion, known scientifically as Taraxacum officinale, is a common perennial herbaceous plant often dismissed as a weed. Despite its reputation, dandelion has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine. In this video, we will look into the identification, growth, harvesting, historical background, and extensive medicinal uses of dandelion, highlighting its significance in herbal medicine. Identification: dandelions are easily recognizable by their bright yellow flowers and distinctive toothed leaves. The name dandelion comes from the French dent de lion, meaning lion's tooth, referring to the serrated edges of the leaves. The plant features a single hollow stem, which exudes a milky latex when broken, and the flowers turn into fluffy seed heads that disperse with the wind. Growth and harvesting: dandelions are native to Europe and Asia, but have spread worldwide, thriving in temperate climates. They grow in a variety of environments, including lawns, gardens, meadows, and roadsides. Dandelions prefer well-drained soil and full sunlight, but are highly adaptable and resilient. Harvesting: leaves, best harvested in early spring when they are tender and less bitter. They can be picked individually or cut back to encourage new growth. Flowers, collected during their full bloom in spring and summer. Roots, harvested in the fall or early spring, when the inulin content is highest, enhancing their medicinal properties. Dig carefully to avoid breaking the taproot. When foraging, avoid areas that may be contaminated with pesticides or pollutants, such as parks or roadside verges. Leaving part of the root intact will allow the plant to regrow. Historical significance: dandelions have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans utilized dandelion for its diuretic and liver-supporting properties. The plant's widespread use in European folk medicine earned it nicknames such as pissabed for its strong diuretic effects. In addition, dandelions were once used to make a cheap and accessible wine, known as dandelion wine, cherished in rural communities. Edible uses: every part of the dandelion is edible. Leaves, used in salads, soups, and sautés, providing a slightly bitter, peppery flavor. Flowers, can be used to make dandelion wine, teas, and fritters. Roots, roasted and ground to make a caffeine-free coffee substitute or added to soups and stews. Medicinal uses and treatment methods. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness or disease. I recommend consulting a qualified healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary medicine before trying anything new. Digestive problems: dandelion stimulates appetite and aids digestion. It can be consumed as a tea or tincture to relieve bloating and indigestion. Liver and gallbladder health: known for its hepatoprotective properties, dandelion helps detoxify and support liver function. It is effective in treating liver disorders and gallbladder issues. Diuretic and detoxing: dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of excess water and toxins from the body. It can be used to reduce bloating and support kidney health. Skin wounds, corns, and warts: the milky latex from dandelion stems can be applied directly to skin wounds, corns, and warts to promote healing and removal. Blood sugar control: dandelion helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. It can be consumed as a tea or in capsule form. Urinary tract disorders: its diuretic properties help treat urinary tract infections and support overall urinary health. Cancer prevention and treatment: studies suggest that dandelion may have anti-cancer properties. It is believed to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, cell death. Iron deficiency, anemia: dandelion is rich in iron and can help prevent and treat iron deficiency anemia. Hypertension and cholesterol: the herb helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health. Immune system boost: dandelion's high vitamin and mineral content boosts the immune system and promotes overall health. Mastitis and lactation: nursing mothers can use dandelion to relieve mastitis and support milk production. Inflammation and arthritis: its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and pain associated with arthritis. Warnings and precautions: chemical exposure: ensure dandelions are harvested from clean, uncontaminated areas to avoid chemical exposure. Allergies: some people may be allergic to dandelions. particularly those with sensitivities to plants in the Asteraceae family. Pregnancy and nursing. Pregnant or nursing women should consult a healthcare provider before using dandelion to ensure it is safe for them and their baby. Medication interactions. Dandelion may interact with certain medications such as diuretics, antibiotics, and blood sugar medications. Consult a healthcare provider before use. Dandelion is a remarkable herb with a wide array of culinary and medicinal applications. Its historical significance, ease of growth, and numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any herbal apothecary. Whether used to support liver health, aid digestion, or boost the immune system, dandelion continues to be an important herb in natural medicine.